Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be talking about depression. What is depression and what the various signs and symptoms are. Depression is the main cause of disability worldwide according to the World Health Organization. It can affect anybody, including adults, adolescents and children. So don't think depression is limited to only teenagers or only adults. It can also affect children. Sadness, feeling down, and having a loss of interest or pleasure in our daily activities are normal and familiar feelings for every single one of us. But when these feelings begin to persist for weeks, months, and even years, and they affect our lives and how we relate with other people, the issue may be depression. Depression is a mood disorder that involves a persistent feeling of sadness and loss of interest. It is different from the mood swings that people regularly experience as part of our life. Some major experiences or events that are traumatic, such as the loss of a job, the loss of a loved one, or breakup in a relationship, different things, financial lack can lead to depression. Note, I said can lead to depression. It is only when the feelings of grief from these experiences persist that you might begin to consider that you have depression. Depression is an ongoing issue, it is not just a passing issue. It consists of depressive episodes during which the symptoms can last for at least 2 weeks, and it can go on for several weeks, months, or even years. Some symptoms of depression can include fatigue or loss of energy, slowed movement and speech, sleeping too much or too little, unintentional weight loss or gain, changes in appetite, a loss of sexual desire, reduced interest or pleasure in activities once enjoyed, a depressed mood, feelings of worthlessness or guilt, difficulty in thinking, concentrating, or even making minor decisions, recurrent thoughts of death or suicide, or even attempted suicide. So, if you notice that you're going through more than five of these signs or symptoms, then it is possible that you might have depression. Depression, the symptoms of depression is different in females, sometimes it's different in females, males, and people from different walks of life. In females, depression is nearly twice as common in women as men, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Some symptoms that tend to appear more in females include irritability, anxiety, mood swings, fatigue, and dwelling on negative thoughts. And some types of depression that are unique to females include premenstrual dysphoric disorder and postpartum depression. While in males, males with depression are more likely than females to drink alcohol in excess, display anger, and engage in risk taking as a result of depression. Some other symptoms of depression in males may include working without a break, that is being becoming a workaholic, displaying abusive or controlling behavior in their relationships, having difficulty keeping up with work and even family responsibilities, and avoiding families and social situations. In college students or university students, depression, some symptoms of depression may include insomnia or sleeping too much, a decrease or increase in appetite, avoiding social situations and activities that they used to enjoy, and difficulty concentrating on schoolwork, and feeling like nothing matters anymore, even the schoolwork they were once keen on. Time at the higher institution can be super stressful. So, and some students have difficulty coping with this stress, and they may develop depression or anxiety as a result. In teenagers, physical changes, peer pressure, and some other factors can contribute to depression. They may experience some of the following signs and symptoms, including difficulty concentrating on schoolwork, restlessness, feeling guilty, helpless, or worthless, and withdrawing from family and friends. While in children, some symptoms of depression include crying, low energy, clinginess, defiant behavior, and vocal outbursts. If you notice any of these signs and symptoms in yourself or in anyone around you, anyone close to you, it is possible this person or you might have depression and should get therapy immediately. Some of the causes of depression, there are various causes of depression depending on the individual involved, but some general factors that play a role in depression include genetic features, environmental factors, psychological and social factors, additional conditions or underlying disorders such as bipolar disorder, and changes in the brain's neurotransmitter levels. Thank you for listening today, and next time I'll be talking about how treatment options for depression and also the types of depression and how to identify them and when to know when you need to seek professional help. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. See you next time. Bye.